to he or she will. So you can say he will or she will. So in Shona it's the same thing. There is no gender when it comes to he or she in Shona. So he will or she will translate to acha. 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 So it's a prefix as well. So he will or she will translate to the prefix acha. So you're gonna be combining whatever the verb that is used in conjunction with he will or she will with acha to formulate your Shona sentences. Yes, here are some examples. He will see you tomorrow or she will see you tomorrow. See, it's kuona. Tomorrow, it's mangwana. So it becomes acha kuona mangwana.